If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain AR-15 hand grip into this beautiful, customized, rhinestone embellished hand grip, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be adding some rhinestone clear glass, non-hot fix rhinestones. So not resin rhinestones. I'm going to step it up a little bit, and I'm going to be using these glass stones AB clear. I love these. They're amazing. So some of you may or may not know what this is. This is a hand grip to my rifle that I am customizing. I got a rifle back in July for my birthday, and my husband put it together for me, but I just hadn't got around to customizing some of the parts. So this is the hand grip. As you can probably tell now, it's a hand grip. And he spray painted this white for me, so I'll have a nice white background when I add the rhinestones on it. So if anything peeks through, you won't see the black, because this originally was black. And just to show you, this is how it started out. It started out black like this, which is cool, because eventually I will do a black one as well. A black blingy one, obviously. But yeah, so it looks like this now, and I'm going to be using SS20, which is a 5mm, SS12, which is 3mm or similar, and SS16, which is like a 4mm. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I will be using some liquid fusion. 12 bucks on Amazon. My glue is in this precision tip bottle that I purchased from Amazon. You get about a bag of 10 of these for about $7. This wax pickup tool, Amazon, 8 bucks. And eventually I'll have these for sale. Eventually I will. All right, so let's go ahead and wipe off some of the paint, but I do like to just do a gentle wipe just to make sure there's no grease or debris or anything stopping me from getting directly to the surface with the rhinestones. So just a gentle wipe. So I like to start at the bottom. So I'm just gonna put some glue on here, just like this. So I'm just gonna start just putting the rhinestones on. I'm gonna probably do a scatter method here. I wanna start as closely to this bottom part as possible. And then if I have more room, or if I have to, I can go towards the bottom. But I'm just kind of pretty much make sure they're nice and close and tight together. Just like that. And just keep going in between with all the sizes that I have here. Now if you do this, you're definitely welcome to use whatever sizes you would like to use and whatever colors that you like to use as well. What you mainly want to do is just keep everything nice and tight. And if you don't want to go in formal line by line, like a honeycomb, what you can do is just go ahead and scatter them on using multiple sizes, all the same size, however you like to do it. And I like to spread out my bigger size stones, or if I'm using pearls, I like to just spread them out and then fill everything in between. I find that it's easier that way. Okay, so here I am so far. I am making some progress here. And if you're wondering how long this took, I want to say this did take about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours, but it took about a good 2 hours or 1:45 minutes. I did a little bit of stopping in between, but it definitely did seem like it took quite a bit of time, probably because I was kind of sleepy, but I got it done because I want to move on to the next project. But I'm almost finished here. Can't wait for you guys to see the final product. Can't wait to see how this will look in other colors as well. Now, as I get closer to the top, I had nowhere else to hold it, so you see I inserted a screwdriver inside of the top area. You'll also see me not add the rhinestones all the way to the top on here, because once this is applied to my rifle, I have to make sure there's enough clearance on the left side for my safety. So the safety does have to be able to glide back and forth a little bit, just a smudge, touching the AR hand grip. So if you're wondering, oh, why didn't she go all the way to the top? That's why. And then later on afterwards, I can just go through, if there's any other little small spaces I may could still add stones to, I can do that later. But I'm really happy at the way this is coming out. I think it's very, very pretty. Okay, you guys, here is the final result of the hand grip, and I am very impressed. I knew it would look nice because the glass rhinestones are very high quality, and when the light hits them, they're just so extremely sparkly. But for something like this, you could also use resin rhinestones, which are also pretty as well. They just don't have that extra twinkle effect. Well, I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you received some inspiration to customize your rifle or your pistol as well. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. Again, something like this, I would allow this to dry at least 5 days if possible. Maybe in front of a fan if you don't want to wait the 5 days. And I will be doing some other customizations with this same look here to put my rifle together. I'll do the magazine eventually, like I said, if I didn't say it already. And I'll do my stabilizer fin. And another thing, I will have a link available to purchase these glass rhinestones in the sizes that I used in this video. When I did my first AR-15 hand grip on my SIG pink AR pistol, I didn't add the rhinestones to the whole AR grip, like in the front where your fingers go, because I didn't want it to be to where you couldn't really grip it properly. But I didn't have that issue, so that's why I went ahead and did the front area on here. I'll probably go and fill in my pink one later, but it's fine the way it is also. So just in case you're wondering, it just feels like extra grip on it. It feels perfectly fine, like no issues at all. But okay, you guys, thanks again. Bye-bye.